salamat, Director Barali at sampu ng iyong mga kasamahang naglilingkod sa ating mamamayan sa usapin ng pangkalusugan. Excited ako para sa inyo. You know, this is a very new building. Sad to say, I think it's a 7-year-old brand new building. But any building for that matter should be maintained. It cannot be neglected. Kasi once na tinayo mo, bahala na si Bathala kung maayos o hindi. In fulfilling our commitment to deliver better healthcare, public healthcare. As you all know, by this time, we've been trying to unclog foot traffic to our hospital by empowering our frontline healthcare facility, which is modernizing our health center and reviving those who were close to you. Tatlong taon lang ako nawala. Ang daming health center na nasara. How can we do that? How can we do such thing as the population grows and health challenges or economic and health challenges are existing and continue to grow. Numbers don't lie. We, as government, should continue to empower our frontline healthcare facility so that magkaroon ng ease in terms of foot traffic and demand to our hospitals. And rest assured to our doctors and nurses, medical and non-medical personnel at the Hospital of Maynila and other hospitals, we will continue to strengthen, widen, reach as many as we can to deliver good quality healthcare. On your side, you soon, the city and the country, for that matter, will now enjoy the more production of medical professionals. Our dreams and aspirations of the city of Manila as part of the nation-building approach is to produce more doctors, dentists, nurses, medtech, and so on and so forth. If we are now producing about at least 300 under pamantasan lungsod ng Manila, we soon in this corner you will have an institution that can produce 5,000 on maximum. So that is good for the city, good for the country, especially for the people of Manila. To reinforce our medical professionals in community healthcare. And we are on track in acquiring medical professionals in our 7th hospital, in Baseco Hospital. We are halfway there. So imagine mo, in just 8 months, it was just sitting duck, or what you call white elephant. But upon assumption, nakita ninyo, dyan na, functioning, and it's going to be full-blown first level hospital, hopefully cross finger at the end of the year. And soon, as again, continued commitment to our people and to our doctors and nurses and non-medical practitioners, there will be a new Boston in the city of Manila. Just for the record and your information, while wala tayong kapera-pera, namili pa ako ng lupa. We bought a property 1,600 square meter. We are now in possession of the property. Thanks to the national government. Nabumbay ko sila. Pinihayit-kahit ko. We're gonna pay for it in the next 10 years. And now we are in possession. Now we are at the end of our journey with DOH with regard to acquiring PTC. permit to construct. So that 500 square meter of 32-year-old Hospital ng Tondo will now be housed at the main road of the city, located in District 2, 1,600 at 7-story air-conditioned public hospital for district. So, today, itong maliit na corner nito na madalas kong pasyalan sa Peligro de Ora o namang oras. Naawa naman ako sa mga doktor at pasyente natin. Puro amag ang hinihinga ninyo. But rest assured, this is not just the day for today. We will continue. Kahit na gipit tayo, kakasyahin natin yan. Yun nga nare-regular na natin. Yung share ng mga ating healthcare. Ano na ngayon? Kaya lahat gusto na magpatistino sa ospital eh. But rest assured, what is due to you, you need not ask for it. It will be given to you. And equally. Kaya, of all these things that I have said, pwede ba ako makikisuyo sa inyo? Ito, lagi ko pinakikisuyo. Isa lang naman, huwag akong hihingin. Pwede ba mag-smile kayo lagi sa mga pasyente ninyo? Maniwala kayo sa akin. I grew up. Alam mo, hindi nga sapat yung description ng Islam. Pero may salitang sinasabi yung mga matatanda. Ako'y pinanganak na mahirap sa dilang mahirap. Kumbaga, kung tatlo level ng hierarchy, yung pangatlo sa baba, nandun pa ako sa ilalim. Pag kami nagkakasakit, takbuhan namin, Jose Reyes, San Lazaro, diyari yung Wepax ko dyan sa San Lazaro. Yung hiringgilya nung araw, ano pa yung stainless. Damang-damang mo yun. Lumanga sa iyo. And based on my experience, alam niyo, pag nangingitihan kami ng magandang nurse, magaling na lang.